Fight!
There, I centered it again. I'm watching Hamza. I was watching Hamza. I'm playing him back. Look, I got the side boost and then I just watched Hamza. Oh! Ah. That's fine. Oh man. England. The team name is Rosa Parks?
Round 2. Fight!
Rosa Parks though. No, it was meant to be passed. It was meant to be passed. I glitched, bro. My bad, bro. I forgot. Golasso! Update! It's me! Hamza! Look at this. You just glitched, look.
I glitched.
I went for it because you're not, and then you scored. Good. That was lucky. Golasso! Fire! Bro, me and my team are nice today. You know that?
Let's go. Too late.
What is
Let's go fire ha.
AS?
3, 2, 1,
Who's there?
go!
Me.
Me. Let's go, my
So
boy.
you see here, this ball, Hamza, you could have, I mean, it's better if you shoot it, but you can center this ball too. You center one more time.
Yeah! I demolished him. Look, Eagle, look. I went for the boost, but anyways, it's going in, but look.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, please,
Yes!
please, please.
What? You snake!
Yes.
You snake! Look at this.
Yes.
I fully touched it. I fully touched
Backflip,
it.
guys. Wallahi, look at that backflip though, man. Guys, that wouldn't have gone in if it wasn't for my back. Probably we need a goalie. You said we. Call me what's your morning.
Round 1.
Go for it, someone else.
Fight!
All the way. Just score. That's easy, bro.
Please.
Yo, you saw how I deked him? Look how I deked him right here.
No, Omar, relax. Yeah, I think I'm gonna center this.
Light tap.
Yeah.
Light tap, boy.
Of course, brother.
Let's go. Light tap.
I'm not gonna like look how.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's the movie?
No. It's a little Adan kid. Fudge me in my bumper ass.
BTM.
Oh!
You see, brother, now that's a good save. That's a goal, don't worry.
Got me what you want, got me what you need, got me.
Come on, guys. I feel a championship coming, guys. Come on.
It's okay, take our time.
By your name.
Bakti Wayo!
Who cares?
I care.
That's one game down. One more game till finals. I hope everybody on the stream is enjoying our big W's tonight.
Yes, sir. Off. Oh, good. That's what she said.
Round 2. Fight!
Bro.
Fuck these nuts! That's what I need to say, these guys. Come on, boys.
I was.
I centered. Go for
Oh,
somebody.
that close?
No, that's you.
Shit. No.
That's me.
Too little, too late.
It's over, but it's okay. I just want. That's good that you can.
Oh, bro, why do you got the gay song, bro? What the hell? Oh, you know,
That's
just
what I'm
be
doing.
like,
That's what
yo.
I'm gonna center it. You guys center it. I'll just
playing
stay.
seriously.
You guys go for it. Firehawk, go for it. Send him a
Guys, I
smiley
wanna
face
slap
back.
these guys
Send
this
him a
game.
smiley face back when we win.
No, not yet.
When we win, I said.
Guys, just remember. Come on, one of you. Come on,
No,
guys.
I'm
Red
following up with
boost,
that.
red boost.
I do.
Hit it.
Please, please, please.
Oh, look at this play. Look how I deked him. He came to block it. Look at this. Woo! Look at this. Look at this. This is calculated hard. Look at this. Boom. I hit it and I twisted.
Nice.
I went in. I got this.
Easy goal, buddy.
Nice
Easy
game.
goal.
Did he come back?
Yep.
Yeah, he's ready. He's here. We got this 3 versus 2. Let's go.
Final round. Fight.
Double commit.
I know. I did.
That's unnecessary. Guys, it's okay. It's okay. 4 minutes left. There you go. Guys, let's go. Don't panic. We got this.
No panic zone.
Keep calm and Rocket League.
This is the new.
That's you,
Yo,
Firehawk.
Saturday. Come on.
Oh, it hopped over me, man.
Yes, Omar.
I look.
It's kind of centered. It's centered, guys.
I'm not there. I'm
Come on.
behind.
Okay, easy goal. Oh my.
How?
Look.
Oh my.
Look.
No,
That was going in, man. Oh,
You
that's
would've saved
disrespectful,
that.
man.
Nice.
Let's go,
Yeah,
man.
I hope they quit. I hope they quit early, so we don't have to do second round.
No, they're not gonna quit.
This sucks, bro. But then,
The final.
come on, I swear. Look. I saw him coming.
Oh, he hit you
Oh,
too.
yeah,
He hit you too.
Let's go.
I was watching to see if you'll miss. I fully saw you coming, and then I was,
Look
I
at,
was
bro,
hoping
the
you
song I have, I didn't even pick. It's just, I was just trying to get rid of Lil
Do you
Nas X.
see
randomly.
that pass? Do you see that pass?
missed. That was legendary.
Got boomed.
I boomed him and scored.
Let's see.
So evil, bro.
Do you guys want to be super toxic so they forfeit?
Yeah. Talks so much shit, and we got.
Really? Come on.
Sentinels. Get it?
Yes. I got an assist for that for missing.
Oh, I almost saved that by accident. You would have been cheesed. Look at this.
Guys, I'm popping bottles right now. Championship. Damn.
Bro, this can make. If we don't play properly, it can break us. See, I got murked. Oh my god. But anyways,
We got this.
go for it.
Remember, you never want to be in the same box, guys. Even if we... What the fuck? What happened to my thing?
Hamza. What happened?
Yeah. Guys, yeah, put these guys away, man. You have to give them the 1-2 Chris Brown.
Guys, remember, if you can't make it to the ball, don't commit. If you know you're not gonna get there, just chill. We're already winning.
Come on, yeah.
Oh.
We murked you. Woo! Leave that.
What?
Defense. Yo, this is
Defense.
finals. Last round. Let's
Up by
go.
1 goal.
Yeah.
Yep.
Last minute. We're so close to the championship, guys. So close.
Yep. 3 people watching, bro. Let's go.
Our 3 fans, thank you. Thank you for being with us from the beginning. been a long journey
Wallahi.
to get to this point. Championship.
Yes, we're gonna win this as a squad. Squad up! Wow!
I'm throwing my gloves in the air right now.
Your hockey gloves?
You know when they win the Stanley Cup? Yeah, when they win the Stanley Cup.
Yeah.
One more goal for it. I mean, what? Serious?
Yes, yes, boys. Everyone, no one move. Just everybody, stop moving. Stop moving. Be nice. Yes, sir. Final winners. Let's go of the tournament. Let's go. You know what it is, yo. Yeah. First tournament win as a squad.
I'm season 4 gold tournament winner.
Almost
Let's
whack
go.
his
Equip
name,
that
but it
shit.
works.
Fire ha! Fire ha!